Coming up next, we'll have details on how an influx of talent from the diaspora is giving Somalia quite the extreme makeover. Welcome back. Reconstruction and a fairly steady influx of incoming diaspora entrepreneurs are changing the face of Somalia's once troubled capital, Mogadishu. In a fairly short time, the city has changed from a dull, war-ravaged seaside enclave to a more modern city, and business has so far been fairly good. Mohammed Moga takes a look at the city's transformation in Grassroots tonight.
Nasra is among one of the few diaspora Somalis who have come back to a city they barely understand and made the best of what little it could offer.
Well, I've come to Somalia because I wanted to partake in the rebuilding of the country. I'm by profession, I'm an engineer, and this is one of my first projects that I brought to Somalia, which is a dollar store. It gives an opportunity to employ many people and to bring a new concept to the country.
Many young Somali entrepreneurs have been returning home to invest and to take advantage of the untapped opportunities in Mogadishu.
You have to realize this is your country, no one owns it more than you, and hopefully things will slowly but surely change if we all come back and invest in our country and bring the ideas that we brought from the West and embrace the good ideas that are here and assimilate the two concepts. Then this could be a great place. This is for us to make a change.
The country is still recovering from decades of war and only recently established a functioning government. So taxation has not been effected yet.
This is the best time to come and invest. You have a benefit of not being taxed. You have the benefit of getting lands if you want industry or you want to start your own factories. So I'm encouraging you to come. Take advantage of the time now. This is a very, very rich country and it's very beautiful.
From fleets of taxis marked in yellow lines to the first ATM machine and modern barber shops, the city has for the last 2 years seen remarkable progress.
There's a big difference between here and the West. It's tough there. You spend a lot of time working and your family is absent. So I decided to invest here to be with my family and my relatives.
There's also been a booming construction sector. Renovations are on, new towers erected. That's attracted investors like Naima, who have seen the opportunity to bring brick maker machines with an impressive output capacity.
I have spoken to loads of locals and engineers, and I have done a few research. And then I realized they really need it. They need, Mogadishu is rebuilding, and I thought I should not lose that opportunity.
And Mogadishu is no longer the pock-marked ghost city it has been for many years. This is a K4 junction, used to be one of the most dangerous. It's now one of the most lucrative spots. Such is a change this city has undergone in just 3 years, and that's made Mogadishu one of the fastest growing cities. Mohammed Moga, CCTV, Mogadishu.